guys, we're gonna be eating some s'mores. Got the crackers, whoops, and we got the marshmallows. And here's the kit. I'll grab it.
And the chocolate bar is right there, but
Yeah.
how are we gonna hold?
I'll just show you the pack. One pack. Here's one of the packs.
How many bars is there?
There's 3 more. There's only 4 bars.
Did you put 3 of these or just 2 or what?
3.
3, I guess.
Try. At least.
Kidding. Sorry, just
Sorry
kidding.
if comment down below if you think the lighting is weird, and if you're watching this right now, we dare you to comment s'mores. If you don't know how to spell it, just pause the video if you like. Go ahead and just there you go. There's how you spell it. Here, I'll spell it out for you. S-M-O-R-E-S. Okay, so that's easy.
You can buy these at Walmart.
Yeah. Or how
Wait, we
much?
gotta back it up because
Yeah.
remember, unless we eat on our laps,
So they're just gonna.
it's gonna get messy.
Yes.
What does it say we have to put it? For how long?
Check the box.
No, wrong one.
Oh, yeah.
You put
It in.
microwave s'mores.
Hold on. 1.
Oh, double in size, 10 to 15 seconds.
10 to 15 seconds, Papa. So, I hope you like this video. We're not going to stop it unless, yeah. So, here we go. It's going to get it.
We're just gonna call this the s'more challenge.
Yeah.
We have 2 each.
No, just, no, not
Do we
the
get 2
s'more
each,
challenge.
Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are the boys ever going to get one? Because these are supposed to be ours. We bought them for ourselves. Didn't we?
Don't you guys like to share?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how long I gotta put this in?
10 to 15 seconds.
Jinx, you owe me so.
Hold
Jinx, double jinx, triple jinx.
Let's do our handshake while we're waiting.
Okay.
I don't know if you could see us.
Look, move it this way so I can see me and you doing our challenge.
Like that.
Okay.
Challenge.
I mean, our handshake. Okay.
Move. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Oh, we can't do it. Stop it.
Look, stop it.
Stop it. Okay, ready? Stop it.
Okay.
Well, wrong. Sorry. That was fun. I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna sneak one.
No, because we need them for things. Sorry, we gag lots. Okay, push over.
That sounds weird. That wasn't even a. Yeah, they're done. Aw. I'm just thinking of baby food.
Push over here. I only got this much space.
What are those twins called? Merrell twins. What? The Merrell twins.
Oh,
How do you pronounce it?
I don't know.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but the Merrell twins, they were doing the smoothie challenge, and they gagged a lot. And then
Vanessa puked.
yeah, and Veronica kept gagging. It's funny. We were watching it before we just made this video, so please give it a thumbs up.
If you like it. Just kidding.
Oh my God, they're ready. Ooh. Oh, let's show them. So they look like this.
Oh, the baby's coming. Baby.
Okay, so we're gonna eat 2 each. Ah! Ouch. Ugh. They're really messy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Here's how mine looks.
Here's how mine looks. So
Darn it.
I can't bite it. Oh.
No, this one's too plastic.
This is messy.
I don't want to jump on my pants. But anyways, it's all over me mostly.
Not me. I was stung myself. Don't call Rhea. It's on my pants. I'm almost done mine.
Hey, remember when we went shopping today and we bought sandals and stuff?
I got a blister.
And we bought shorts and all of that? Well, I'm wearing a pair of my shorts.
Oh my god.
Like, new pair of shorts today.
Oh my god. What if this was poop? Ew. Remember the conjoined challenge by the Merrell twins? It was so funny. They tried doing... If the Merrell twins are watching this, I don't know if I pronounced the name right, but... it's really funny because the conjoined challenge was really funny because... they tried doing
over here, not making a mess everywhere.
Shush.
What?
Nothing.
Holy.
I'm sorry. Look at mine.
Oh, you're crazy.
You're messy.
Jeez, mine's all over the place.
Some of your chickies. Wherever cuckoo put them.
Ew. Ew.
Come on, baby.
Don't worry, that was
So
fake.
sticky. It's like glue. Look. Like the way you rip it.
Mom. Okay.
Like,
I love this one.
we were craving s'mores, but I kept on saying, no, wait. Okay? Oh yeah, we were watching the Merrell twins, if you press it, right? When they were doing the Try Not to Laugh challenge.
And then, was it Veronica or Vanessa?
Veronica, I think.
And
Who's
came
the
out,
one in the blue shirt?
I don't know.
But she came out like this and then to
She's
the,
like, rock, or something like that. I got it on my shirt. It's a big stain. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's gonna be in trouble. This is mine, right? Don't drop it on me.
Whoa, this is just like glue. Like, look.
If you do, I beat you up. If you drop it on me. It just tastes gross.
What tastes gross? What tastes gross?
Nothing. I meant it tastes good, but I meant it got sticky. Okay, good.
Hello.
You look like a monster. Can you pass me over?
Ran out.
You guys should watch the Merrell twins. They're so funny. They're twins and they laugh a lot. In every video, they laugh, no matter what, or gag.
Yep.
Sometimes.
Oh, we're watching the pumpkin one where she just started dating.
Because, yeah. Stop talking about that now. Only show them the hand. My hand only looks like that.
The other hand is like,
My hands only look.
time to have a shower later.
Uh huh. This ain't our house. This is our grandpa's. We come here every weekend. And the photo booth challenge is really funny. Remember their dog Tiger? His face got really small and his and then yeah, I got dizzy. Just kidding. Mine look like this.
Almost done.
Ooh. Mmm.
Share that one.
Yeah. I'm messy. This is just a
Before we
cracker.
had it like hanging down, hey?
Yeah, we're like. Okay, we're gonna show you your hands after we're done this. And then you guys get to comment down below who was messier, Rihanna or Alicia. I'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Never mind, we can't do it. We were gonna.
hands.
Okay, so I don't want to finish that cracker because it's barely nothing.
My belly's hurting.
Hurry up! It's gonna run out of space in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toad. Oh my god. Okay, these are my hands. And those are her hands. Toodles!